And from one sad case to the other, this time in Stirling Castle, Red Hill, St. Andrew, where a town hall meeting is underway. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson is on location at the moment and joins us live on phone. Dwayne, paint a picture for us. Tell us what's happening in Stirling Castle.
Thanks, Andrea. So the meeting started over 2 hours ago and it is still going on. And it is a packed house at the Newton. Perhaps encouraging though is that most of those who turned up are residents of the community, because this meeting is really for them to have their concerns heard. Now, for those residents, we've learned, those residents and relatives who are struggling, they are receiving that are on the ground. There are any of those agents with the social office of the children's advocate of the community. Now, the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horstang, is actually at the meeting, and he tried to reassure them. But perhaps the most telling contribution from the security leadership here this evening came from Assistant Commissioner of Police, Gary Griffith. Mr. Griffith is in charge of Area 5 that includes the Stirling Castle community. Now, he admitted that the police did not act as fast as they could have after receiving the missing person report for Shanti. Diane Gordon-Harrison is also at the meeting. She's a children's advocate. She welcomed that admission from the police because, according to her, the police's unwillingness to accept some of the responsibility has really caused more hurt and anger among the grieving residents. Now, the police further outlined that 3 persons are being questioned in relation to Shantae's killing, but still no charges yet. Now, get this, Chizzy. Even if the search was mobilized, say, a day or hours after the missing person report was filed, it would have been significantly hampered anyway, because at this meeting, I just learned that there is just one police jeep serving the police division, one police service unit, and there are over 25,000 persons who live in the 45 communities here in the police division. Now, persons following this story will remember that Shantae was found dead 5 days after she went missing, and just a couple days after, 26-year-old Miguel Williams, also from the community, was killed and burnt by an angry mob in the community because residents claim he was responsible for her death. Now, police say they are doing their probe into this murder as well. They said that now that they've done the post-mortem,
Dwayne?
They'll be able to prove if this man had anything to do with her death.
All right, thank you very much, Dwayne. We can understand that he's way in the hills of Stirling Castle, so the cell phone reception is not the very best, but we could hear some of what he was saying, talking about one police vehicle to service so many residents in that community. So we'll try to bring you the very latest from that town hall meeting in Stirling Castle later on. Herman?